Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann and today we are at my first listing. That's right, I have a property for sale in Portmore and it's listed for $18 million. It's in Armada Court, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 689 square feet, and I'm going to be giving you a property tour today. So go ahead and subscribe below. Don't forget to comment and share your favorite parts of this tour and give this video a thumbs up. So let's begin. This property is 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and we have 2 windows over here that is going to show us some natural light and ventilation, and there are slide-up windows. Of course, you can have these customized once you purchase the units. However, to my knowledge, typically with apartments of this nature, the outskirts of the development, you aren't really allowed to customize it just to maintain uniformity, but there are other windows in the property that you can change if you want to. Now on my right here, we have somewhat of a storage closet which the owner was using as, storage for crockery and those places that you only back up during Christmas time, those. Now when I continue on my right here, it's going to take me into the kitchen area. Now I do admit the space is a little small, but you know what, again, this is a perfect starter home or investment property for a family or someone looking to extend their real estate portfolio. So if this is not a load-bearing wall, you can check and have it removed so that it opens up the space a little bit more. And once you enter the kitchen space, you're going to notice that the cabinets are in top-tier condition. This unit, I would say, is definitely move-in ready because there's no major fixtures that you have to deal with before moving in. So here we have our countertops. We have under counter storage, and we also have strong cabinets here that again are in wonderful condition, guys. The sink, everything is functional, the piping, and then where I am standing is actually going to be your area where you can have your washing machine. If you notice, they already have the piping for that. But of course, with every unit, you can do it how you see fit. Now, quick note about what I was saying about the windows. Because this window is not something that you can see from the outside, you notice that the owners had it changed. Again, this is all just my knowledge on how it goes with apartment complexes. Of course, if you're interested in purchasing this unit, I can double check that information for you as it relates to changing the living room windows. So next, we're going to head into the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom is on my right and the second bedroom is on my left. So let's head into the master bedroom. And this bedroom is pretty spacious. For me, I think you can definitely fit either a queen or a king size bed in here. You can definitely have a dresser or nightstands. Now the closet is what I love most about this space. Now, if you come into the bedroom, you'll notice that the closet was recently done. In fact, I can actually smell that it was also recently treated. There is tons and tons of storage in this closet. So if you're a female like me and you're watching this video, you know definitely this is the perfect closet for us. Lots of overhead storage as well if you have any suitcases or large objects. Also your TV, depending on the size of your TV, can fit here. If you have a bigger TV, you might have to look about putting it on the wall. And there's lots of mirrors on the door which allows you to see yourself when getting ready in the mornings. You can also notice that the drawers are pretty spacious as well. They're pretty large. And there are 4 drawers on the closet, which means that you have adequate storage for your house clothes, your linen, and other particulars. Now these are louver style windows which are usually to the side of majority of the units in these complexes. You can have it screened on the outside if you want to, but the 2 windows that are on this side, which I was referring to, that we're going to have to check if it can be changed. If you notice, they're already screened. So if it is that you are living in Portmore, everybody knows Portmore has mosquitoes. It's not a secret. And you are located to the waters with this apartment complex. So you want to be mindful of that. And preferably if you're into having more breeze and you won't be using your air conditioner, you can have the windows screened. Speaking of air conditioning units, this particular unit is not functional, but the best part about it is that the wiring is. So should you buy this unit, you can simply just switch out the unit for your personal unit, whether it's Windy, TLC, Started, all the other brands. And just a quick reminder guys, ATL Jamaica has partnered with Century 21, so if you're interested in getting appliances or any type of fixtures for your home, whether it's AC units, solar systems, or anything of that nature, fridge, stove, television, give me a call at 876-465-8811 and we can get you that AC unit that you want to put in your home. Of course, you may or may not receive a discount. I don't know. Call me and find out, and I can get you that special deal for your home. Alright? So let's head into the other bedroom. So bedroom number 2 is this way. And we're going to save the bathroom for last because I want to do the bedrooms first and then we head into the bathroom. Entering this space, this is a cute little bedroom. You can probably fit a full size or queen size bed. I would recommend a king size simply because of the layout for the space. But if you had your bed here, you can either put your dresser here where my camera girl is standing, or you can maybe put a nice lounge chair and have your TV on the wall. You know, this can be very cozy if it's designed the right way. Again, 2 windows here on the side, so if you want to direct the camera over there so that you can see. And then here we have our louver windows. Now something to note, this is my 3rd time being at this property. Every time I'm standing beside these louver windows, some cool breeze lick me. So I mean, that says enough that the area is pretty cool in terms of the climate, and we are still in a summer type of climate here in Jamaica, so it's very good that there's a lot of cool breeze coming through here. Now if I turn my angle, you will notice that this closet has also been recently done. So the owners have made sure to, get that done for you. This one is slightly different, no mirrors, but there's still tons of storage. We have overhead storage up here. This half is shelved, and then over here, this half is not shelved. What does that say? It means that maybe the larger objects can fit here, and maybe your miscellaneous items can be fitted here. Now the closet is slide doors, which is different from the previous one because the previous one opens outside. So you can slide your doors on both sides. And like I said, there's a lot of space in this closet. And again, as it relates to the design of the unit, you can customize this how you see fit. Like I was saying about having an investment property or a startup home, there actually is an Airbnb located in this apartment complex. So that goes to show that there is great income potential here. So if you're watching the video and you're looking to use this as a rental, as an Airbnb, or if you're a startup family, I think this is the perfect unit for you. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. Alright, so where I'm standing, the bedroom we just read is behind me. Now I'm going to show you the bathroom. The bathroom is going to be shared between both bedrooms. So a few things to note about this bathroom. The mirror as well as the countertops were recently done. This handle is broken, I'm going to be honest, so you may or may not, you can change all of these and customize them. I'm a gold type of person anyway. And then as it relates to the sink, you can have the sink changed as well. The toilet is also very recent, as you can see. Your bathtub is going to be over here. Now, the bathtub is in great condition as well, so you don't have to get that changed. But I would definitely, change this to something more recent, maybe something with a hose or anything that you prefer. You have your window here as well, and then you're going to have your towel rack, which is right here, and your tissue holder here. Now, another thing to note about this bathroom, if you look up and turn your cameras up, the ceiling at the moment is tray ceilings, but you can definitely switch this out for plyboard just to have a smoother finish. Right, so we're going to head back outside. I'm going to show you some of the features that this property comes with, and I was saving it for last, so you will definitely see that. And then I'm going to show you what the interior of the apartment complex looks like as well. So where I'm standing is just outside of your future home, and if you notice one thing about this development, even though it's been built a really long time ago, it is well maintained. So just a few things to note: the homeowners association fee is estimated at 2,000 GMD a month. And as you can see, it's spent pretty fairly. The lawn is well maintained. You have a few flowers here and there. And also, I haven't shown you the inside of the apartment complex as yet, but there is area for recreation and walking around. Now, one of the things that I wanted to save for last is the fact that your particular unit is closest to a boat dock. Yeah, a boat dock. Come, let me show you. So if you look there in the distance, you'll notice that you're connected to a waterway at the back of your apartment complex, and this taps into the boat dock. Now this would be, I believe, your dock is right here, and then there's another boat dock there as well. Now if you're familiar with the Portmore area, there is a bridge when you're going to Port Henderson Road. The boats would have come under that bridge and it would have turned into this waterway here, which is why the water is so still, because the waves are actually cut at some point because of all the different objects. So at the moment, a few fishermen use it, but I have been lucky enough to see small boats, not necessarily yachts, but small boats being docked here, which means that there are some owners that actually have boats here and they use it. So if you're looking to live here and you have a boat, this is a great opportunity for you as well. Now, another thing to note about this unit, it's extremely close to the Portmore toll road. So you're connected to the toll road, you're connected to Rodney's Arm. If you are a fish lover, Jolly's is right up the road, Bridgeport High School is right up the road, the Dragon is also in close proximity. So you are connected to so many local amenities. And again, if you're an investor watching this, these are all great things to note. If you have an Airbnb, you know your guests have no issue getting around and having a good time. So you're connected to schools, restaurants, you're right there at the highway. And then in addition to that, if you're interested in going to the beach, we have Helsha Beach, Fort Clarence Beach, Waves, and Sugarman, and also Boardwalk, I believe, which is maybe 10 minutes drive from where I am. As I was mentioning earlier, this development has a recreational area and I'm standing in one of them. So each building is a block. And like I said, the HOA here is pretty decent because they're properly maintained. We have flowers, we have lawns. And then where my camera girl is standing is actually like a walking trail. So she's gonna do a 360 and show you behind her to see what the area looks like. So if you want a Sunday evening stroll, you can definitely do that. Or if you want to walk along the back of the development and look at the boat dock, you can do that as well. Alright guys, so that is the end of my first listing and another property tour. So comment below what you think about the property. Again, it's $18 million. If you want to buy this house, call me at 876-465-8811. Again, this video is sponsored by Century 21, the best brokerage in Jamaica. Like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys next week. What?